Dan, the weatherman, you know what I mean? The girl and umbrella, big up myself and big up me. While Grace is at sea, you know what I mean? And Grace is going to spin and head to Barry. So far it look like it's gonna pass not away. So we look safe-ish. You know, we can't really put two eggs in one basket and we should have holes in it, you know what I mean? So, see Grace here and you got some woman to go over this safari. And probably say why does Grace has spin so it's because in northern hemisphere it's anti-clockwise. In the southern it's in clockwise. Fun fact. Got it. Alright, cool. So now you think to yourself, which part of Jamaica Grace is going? Well, Grace is going to go from Yassa, you see the D, that is depression. S is storm, and it goes to boom, 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 I go Yassa. Sometimes myself, my circle Yassa. Boom. So basically, rain and fall, grab an umbrella, it's a part not away. We still monitor it because you don't know, so we don't trust hurricane, we trust man. You know what I mean? So that's what's happening. On the weather report, me Dan, the girl with the umbrella. Bye!